Minister of State, Health Manipur, is the Honorable Chief Guest of this Golden Jubilee celebration. And I can thank for giving his precious time to this occasion of the YPA. On the other hand, our hearty welcome is extended to the representatives of Central Young Girl Association and artists who have given an aid flavor to this festive occasion. Và với cái cùng sau đó có số mà lệ cùng có là tu ni đồng cùng số mà sinh kinh về và cùng lấy nào nó sinh nào cái thuộc vì đấy cái sai pháp vì cái khai vì mà người ta xây dựng cụ cái hàng ngày đó vì yang itu xây dựng Manipur này làm cho cái cụ này xây dựng đang để học cái nào chúng này sử dụng cái nào để theo tu này như bị để ex-president, ex-general secretaries, le secretaries, YPA, headquarters, block, le YPA, YPA headquarters, block, le unit untuk apa na, untuk menguatkan bal, mulai bal YPA le, unit untuk apa na, untuk Parupate Sakuam Portungkoma Panangil Sakuam Heukutere Namtongkoma Panakuku Nilalai Heukutere Nurelai Heukute President Samson Okmi General Headquarters Le Cabinet Van Student Organization Tongkoma President Secretary Heutu Tuan tu sununang Tengte Tengtengkana government officers Tuan Tele Poimo Tuan Kuni sunung program terbiar Kuap Pema Mipiwan Tang Ate Kakang Kuni na Kibana Niat Pito Welcome Sangkuai Bagi Pake
Oh Maigi banget.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
labor kiremna abe kila he sai ta wa sung de hi lam ka ka ki palila wai pe biar sang ni te hi wei na hong ni ku ching san san ki ba ko ne ne tu ya wai pe bonus billi job la labor kiremna hong tel glob chia ki para unit ten ten na be ba to ki ba tu ham ye ne Amasayla to Reverend and Bungsi. Halila to Bungzatang. Atumna to Pastor S. Ginzam. Amagena tuya kiremna aune tiksebuwa amau ma pia kongwangi final remaining na nahi hunman pa tak mi tai sana tiksangna teisangna to ahung ibujin sakjia kuna ichial na hon bom sakjia kun athak athakina ipa tu amagena kiri nahi amai sampai tadi
Pilipino Kisananula,
1 2 3
Dunia Jubilee Award, Ombia PTA, Working Headquarters via Iheutumui, President, Secretary, Le CEC Chairman, Honna Porsak, Tati, Amauti Patoi Nade, Amauti, Nasi Tuki, Kipati, Sabna, Lai, Ibel Kat, Yermi, Situation, Yaya, to make your details. ex-CEC Chairman, ex-Chief Advisor, the ex-President. Kia Bunzabian, ex-President, the ex-Secretary. Le ex-Khazam, ex-President. Wei Habung, ex-President. Budi Kapsung, ex-President. Budi Bunzatang, ex-President. Wana, Secretary. Uen Hanun, Uen Bunzama, Uen Kualtang, Udi Kaitang, U Apanta, Di Kaitsung, Apanta, U Kualunmu, Apanta, Angkin Naite, Unima, Abungpai Masak, Dan Bungzuyuna, Yemuna Pakina, Anasuyima, Yaya, disabilitas buku hatan dan nak kongsi sedina dengan kongsi deha lagi nak mula aja tu arrangement apa itu lagi bu bung lagi ex-secretary 1986 apata 88 tan hon waksa ama asal lagi misalnya.
Young Patriot Association, General Headquarters, Philanthropic Organization, registration number 2530/SR-78. Honor Certificate. With sincere and deep appreciation, this certificate of honors is awarded to U. B. Umdalin on the auspicious occasion of Young Patriot Association Golden Jubilee Celebration 2003. In recognition of his outstanding services towards the upliftment of the downtrodden sections of the society during his tenure of office in the Young Patriot Association as General Secretary 1986 to 1988. Signed Z. Thong Kian Han, President. Signed S. Ningswan Man, General Secretary.
Bangsa U Wangunmu. Abang Adi U Tangkin Maite, Maite Nu Anak Isawade. Adi Bu H Chung Liang. Yang sangtung alasak dia hongkuan budi yang sangtung anu hongkuan Abang Nadin Bu H Bungzama na kisabok ko. Kung zaman kita di, UN tangmu. Budi Pangsajan, ini dia ni kerja Budi Pangsajan adalah satu yang besar. Orang ini, Lanka unit bagi presiden ini nak mengelas satu. Apa nanti Budi Kaisu. Bukai cuma di le, bukai tengah di kong. Apa nanti kuit hard kosa, ain tenglu.
Bien, jam semua.
Kuit kau sung nanti kuit hau kum.
Baik.
Bukia Pangsajan. Bukin Pangsajan nanti upa Pangsajan mangke. Di Pangsajan. Budi Pangsajan, XCC Chairman. Tadi, atau orang beli UN Jalan Pang.
Berkoi tu bila.
Good everyone. Selamat tahun ya. Menurut Baiklah, selamat tahun ya. Baiklah. Kuna sote mpagi yalba nyombi wa imuta otoka tisima kuti beja ngene thani lo ma abangi bangwa. Ngani lo kolam yungyale. I call you the President, the Functional President, Mr. K.K. Chetrit, IAS, DC of Chirachandpur District, and Dr. Chaltonen Amo, Minister of Health, Minister of State for Health. So would you please come up on stage and accept our humble gift from us. Repeat the request and he artist के लास्ट अक्तिया मुन्ना हमारी हिस्से है मितांगरांगे receive give the receive जंग ना खुद ना आगे भी बेंगे होगी
who Sartoria Namo, Minister of Health, Minister of State for Health, Government of Manipur, and respected Council President who K.K. Chetri, Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur District, the President of YPA Headquarters and its office bearers, and special invitees and members of YPA who are attending today's function. I am very happy and it is a great privilege for me to be given such good opportunity to speak very few words about the importance of AIDS and its consequences. Actually, I am given very short speech on AIDS campaign. Normally, whenever we take such kind of program, we take about 2 or 3 hours. But such short time, about 15 minutes or 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or maybe, I don't know how much I can be able to speak or to express. But even then, I shall try my best to speak very few words, which are very important to all of us. So, with the kind permission of our Honorable Chief Guest and our Council President and President, let me switch over to local dialect. Hudre Dharma Zakina, Ivan, Ungain Maidina, to the age of his side, gain their own gravity power as a pain. It shows that the YPA organization is really giving such great importance to the problem of AIDS and HIV. No, AIDS and HIV to Israel ka, when he go mo ngay wana niyo. Hun omo bibia non biya jona akiranga. Walang ipabuhay kasari. Ipoy mo ngay na ito hongga suwadi ngay chini aginta kuay. Kolahe. Bang tinggera chile nga bahet dia untom chika mo ka. Iti bang kagyan chali da kali la kam nikhat bang akigyan chali kigyan chuzoro waniya. Ila tua minit bang lahiya makagyan dihi apoy mo pe bang gyan karo mo biyay siya ngay tama na siyam dima di game ka kon game dia pinda kena hodu dena solo ta chile only to select ne itena hun nei da chile to mai ni kai YG je lo to kon song ro yi nga ACT jana sapa wa ya ACT to acquired immune deficiency syndrome chi ha dondan to meaning deni piang ke nanan na te pana mani kine kaya di kahana kine wa ine pe ka bangyam jaga hong tambok jaga mani kine ni jolowa kine te di kahana nei lo om jana na khat te hong lu ta nam lo nam tut na hi sapa AIDS ki jani why tua bang nat na te par kiben di na han la ine pe ka associate hi nana hing leu ti khadaya mai tu na thei sa ai sai bia chiwa sa pa na wanga da to human immune deficiency virus sa chiwa virus chi chan nana hi tam pi chi kam pion de la aneu ken group de virus ai wa wai virus te la ka chi khat ka retrovirus ki chi khat ka oma wai to ai sai bia chiwa wai virus ki hing tak sa lu che ai AIDS on sa hi ai sa bin na omin wan AIDS on tu ko mai chi ka tu bul bia ya
Dr. Warhan Kam, Warna kriket kehi implement ini koi ka sama mahi bulai kebiri jamina. Special number BPT Sugeni Ganja Kikim Tadiwa. Special number is Lantua Pan Kam request kehi.
Đâu năm đi sẵn tao cả nó request mà nên cái bảo tụ cái gì này các con sang đi ngay để rồi mà cái gì sang đi nó bằng đồ thì online thì relevantmente sebuahnya tidak buat itu sampai dari tuan dia dari tuan lagi tuan lagi.
Your Young Paite Association headquarters, Golden Jubilee. Something I say na along there. Không chân thầy đến along nào rồi là không thêm lại một cái chú there. Chúng ta rồi thế em lên cái phụ nam sẽ thành là người. Đây là cái bao mà hao sama mai hiwan. Tu ni na ay kay terong bao kon sa mga. Kasi bang Young Paite Associations, Paite, Twilight 40, si Golden Jubilee, zat na non siya na ipaway kasaan. Why ba na GPS diyan non siya na rin kataksa yan. Pero kaya kung siya rin ipaway kasama. Kasi kaya rin apa itu dia ituคนหลังว่าเปล่าสิ่งเดียว The Golden Jubilee Celebration Program, Functional President Food Secretary, Deputy Commissioner Karutanpur, YPA President General Secretary Office here at the Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee, Organizing Committee, Nule Pale, Public Leader Tuam Tuam, Trust Leader Satuam, Everyday Tuam Tuam Tok, Nule Pat Mengatakan Batu Alai Tampi, YPA Memang Tampi, dan Namde Amsain, Ina tu deksa masih baik kontriahin. Kunina tampi gen kasong ya, gen di juput, gen itu tampi om program, ya. Tampi gen di kasong laut ya, ya. YPA Paite Community kiti ai tribal laka tu tadiya, sampai masuk pen jiwa. Maksudnya dia kaki pun kaya. Karena di lomba, tu dia pengguna dia tak hitam itu. Program bisa tampung le di program dan le lom dan le umpai keke. Cooperation di biar mati kamu. Di pang dia pikannya. Kumsong nama Kita bang YPA ano tu kita leader de kita bang vision hoi tak anam hajar hari tu orang yang mengurus ada hiji kongkong. Lepas ni hari tu saklar ni pengurus urwaya tim naik rasal di Korea. Why kawa? Yai program pemutung kalau simak kumsong peng YPA na kaita. Kaya organization na kita itu ay standard itu kaitan kaya. Kaki na ito nung kailan sa tiap kamu ya. Ano yang bayodan kayo si kong mereka na ito Ama mga kumsong sana kumsong di panai lo ang tigilatio bangangnya si kong lai ilele sudah katan palaya nol kata ya to kagyan mga bangin hatna di tam di kaya kadya din ay tribal telaka nan naga te kya helabin naga te te tu apa itu dia tali, baik dia kisi mar kisi kau, enam tuang, kampak tuang santai, ini standar nelo, ini di kawan. Tu ia dia, tribal dia lah tu baik dia, asam pe, standard sangเป็นมีเอ็ดตรงตามินไปเต้นบางฮิวะไปเต้นบางอะไรตัวจีมีปีเต้นลงเต้นในทางไทยต่างโดนตัวผมบางในที่ว่านาก็สิไอ้เอก็สิต่างโดนตัวผมบางอีกแล้วชิงกุงโดนตัวผมบางอีกแล้วอีเจดาอีฮีราผมบางอะไรเออะไรไว้เตลงเต้นตั้งอีเดนก็อีเดียนี่ว่าอีการก็เอาไปนุ่งสุยาผมอีตั้งอีก็มาหินจีอีมันก็เราหินกระเด็กมาหินIPA responsibility sama mahit sige. Nanti sao hele. Hele again. Initial tak hingga di mana hingga dia di gome alam tuan. Initial tuan ini. Dalam aku buat dia angin sahaja. Wajah dunia again kamu kita akan shortcut pun ini kom tak mau. Iban ya. Yai kan mungkin dia cuma tiga ini. Uji yai kan mungkin itu pacian imangi lebih. Kata ya. Malam malam pacian ini mungkin pihen lah yai sama. Mak zona panai ham meeting tente etot takina lomte etot takina yom din cihi dunia kadai tam pun denia. Kemudian itu di thayam pilnaya malah semua buatnya albangnya tampil pentingnya. Kan ini loh saya kan aku tampil igen dan cikau kan si mau mahia lele tampil kan dia non dia dunia si bang program itu tak bisa nahi. Kesah tampil itu organisation tuang aylah kampau tuang tu muhen lang. Ahoy na lang dia enton hen lang advance progress makma hen ji di community te la kale kadai sakna hiya ela ka tel di ge ka uta lele tel bi ge te pe dia tel bi ge ti tuna program so chen fa lama ma ka pai ma soma lele ela ka kapan na ka tel na et sakna dina panpi di Chile panpi lengai lo kei tello wahi cibang tuka thupi inang lam so ke cibang tuka organization bang hi so hi chianga panpi na hilavena ai la ka tel na in sum kon roi khedia tom sika ya prize first prize piang na jam bang hiam zu akul na na zadin aphat tuam na na zadin leader tena ya tom sik kalung sim konsen zek di atop mong la pek hai sen la heng anga ka he hil nom tak nop chu heng ang philanthropic organization YPA ti hai politics sai politics hai from enroll thak lo henga thanem ngai taka mis thangpui ngai hai thangpui na ding mitlom hai dom sang na ding le sen ni thani ha ya thanem ngai taka mala thei ding thalai hi zo zai em ba ka thangpui tu ding le thop tu ding officer le ko ran throi tu hai le tu ding ai ni lai hang tang ho hin lom le thamong katia cholen henga hin tho pe ti ti hi he no ma abik tak in kay ni hai chu politics sa hai chu kay ka hatzo di kay lian zo di kay ama neu sak di ama suk noi di ngay ni tiang chikan num dana na hu chilo YPA chu athat na ding mak ngai tu hai ni lein ka ngai sang chewa chu le thil tha tam ta kan tho pe ka basic la chewa ni tik su kay ta le ni kay ka ha ta ni te a dia hi no a di hi lo hi chi bang hai hi labina YPA chu mi a dia sem chỉ khai hiện ra kính cái objective khang ai thiêu tum khá thiêu tum hết sang thầy tôi mà lúc sang ngày tỷ hi le minister ti hai MLA ti hai sarkar rong mi pui rong bol tu hai hi mang them hai ni mangal dengan ni be them hai mi mangal dengan ni mi pui mang dengan kan ni ke ni tu so ngani len wa te ta ding khom hin ka varna ka them na ka ngai tu na sun ka theina tam no sang tik lai khom ka man sa hai la ka lung ru ka ngai tu ni ka hong ani ti hi ka hi no mo chân hình hàng chục tộc kata kalong mati
mi pi te bang apong pai hiloina ni ta program ni non di nume lambang in lamboy ja kaun pai sanoi dia ingai siam dia aum tingina iza ta le yin mama pu charton liana mo minister pujarton kaun ti dia dam so then jina thumve ama dam so di de naina igen ikiko diu pujarton lian pujarton lian pujarton lin pake
Now I'd like to request our functional president, Mr. K.K. Chetri, IAS, Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur District, to come up on stage and deliver a few words of it.
Chief guest of today's part of the celebration of Golden Jubilee function of Young Paiti Association Churachandpur, Pu Dr. Chaltanya Namo, Honorable Minister State Health, Government of Manipur, distinguished invitees, elders and youngers to me, my dear friends, on this auspicious day, it's my pleasure to be with you, and my heart cannot remain without thanking the committee who has given me such a golden chance to be with you and to share your pleasure and to be a jubilant in the Jubilee. To share my feelings with you in your own language. So I will beg your pardon to use this arranged language. I don't have much words to share and express here because I am so happy, but words are hardly coming out in our hearts. I appreciate the vision of YPA for conserving or preserving, I can't say what actually the technical term. We should record, we should develop cultural things, put in such a way that we are identified by this culture. I also appreciate about the concern of YPA about the aids which one of our distinguished gentlemen has explained the technical aspect. Make it a people's movement. We require it. Really deserves appreciation not only from me, from all of us. If fellow or sister associations, sister organizations like YPA, amongst other communities, comes forward with same vision and same determination, I am confident of that name in the age that we have achieved so far get out Swati. So there is a responsibility on your shoulders at the same time. We feel proud of you. We expect those are disadvantages, these which our seniors came across in the past are no longer with you. Definitely something better is here with us. So with these facilities that we could produce to you, at the same time, the older generation expects something from you proportionately, if not too high. And YPA has cited one example in this direction. Let us enjoy the young days through our cultural dances and beautiful songs. Thank you. Let God bless this association to prosper day and night, and this to be a grand success. Thank you.
Golden Jubilee event. ഇപ്പോൾ തീരുമാനിച്ചു waiting. Sound operator din ana ready tinangina. Number 8. The Rangers here. Backstreet Boys here sir. Get down. Ama sabihin ang tipandingay.
Cái phải cái gì đấy
You're the one for me, you're my ecstasy, you're the one I need. Get down and move it all around. Get down and move it all around. Ain't it love I need a girl like you? Tell me you feel it too. I've been losing it.
the Jimmy girls, they are Gimula.
DLMTL Group, Apalina, Minmang Kapiena, Jila, Tas Desak.
Now we
Serial number 4, Vocal Band. Tia Panina.